Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video on this December rainy cold morning. In front of me we've got a 2003 Ford F350 1-ton crew cab short bed. Pretty nice truck all around. Low miles, decent miles, bone stock engine, but fully serviced, ready to rock. It's Albuquerque gold, so it's that goldish color with the metallic in it. It's a really nice color. It shows better in the sun, but it's a little gloomy out today. Lariat model, power heated, loaded, everything. But let's hop up in here, find some keys real quick. Okay, on the miles we've got 174,226. Let's see here. Engine's cold. Tranny is warm. We moved it earlier this morning and it is not cooled off. Truck fires right up. It's a really nice truck overall. Low miles, well taken care of. Let's see here. Lariat loaded with the CD changer, AC, heat, 4-wheel drive. It had power pedals, but I don't have a switch for it, or it just could have been losing its trim cap there. Trailer brakes down there, cup holders. It's got the middle leather jump seat, so you got seating for 6 up in here. Overhead console, it doesn't work. These things are notorious for shorting out. There's a guy on eBay that rebuilds them for like 70 bucks if you send it off, but you got your garage door holder there and your sunglass holder here. Tinted windows, rain guards for in the rain. Pretty basic, but overall a really nice truck. I mean, mechanically it's sound. It's been fully serviced. There's no check engine lights, no issues on the scanner. We check everything on the snap-on scanner. We check contribution rates, cylinder contribution rates, oil cooler, all the pertinent information these 6 liters are notorious for showing. But yeah, let's hop out, check under the hood, and walk around this bad boy. Leather's in great shape. It's not ripped or torn or anything. It's nice and soft. You got a little stress fade there, but really nice Lariat seats all around. Like I said, all stock under the hood. Nothing good or nothing bad going on. No leaks, no nothing, no misses. Truck has no blow-by whatsoever. It's got low miles still, so it's still got a lot of life left in it. But yeah, nice under the hood. It's got a paint to match grill on it, but it's got some fading going on. I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. The fender flares we put on, brand new, they're paint to match. They were professionally painted and clear coated. Headlights are clean, bumper's pretty dang straight. No dents in the front bumper really to report. Wheels and tires, 20 by 12, Cali -44 offset. Man, you got so many different wheels here. I can't remember the name of these ones. Maybe, I'm gonna butcher it, but distorted, not even close. 20 by 12 Cali off-road wheels, and 35, 12, 50, 20 amp all-terrain tires. Brand new. They still got the nipples on them, still got the lines from the factory. They got maybe 20 miles on them at most from test driving. And then we do have a 2.5-inch leveling kit up front. It keeps the truck sitting pretty even all the way around. Truck came with these chrome claddings on there, running boards, chrome mirror covers, and that sweet pinstripe right there. I don't know if you can see that little cha-cha. Not a lot bad to report. We do got some dings right here, and you can see them. The camera's picking them up pretty nicely. Couple little dings. That one is PRD-able. So are those. They're not the worst, but they are there. Cab corners, looks like they have some bubbling going on under the paint or some previous work done to them. I don't see anything terrible or bad, but you know, it's coming up on a 16-year-old truck, so there's probably a little bit of rust down there. It is an FX4 off-road package, so you got the limited slip diff, the skid plates, all the good stuff. No ball in the bed of this truck. No fifth wheel rails. It's got a bed liner. That's pretty much it. Pretty clean overall though. I like this truck a lot. It's just got a nice, clean, basic look to it. It's not too flashy, but it still looks really dang nice. Stock exhaust, so it's nice and quiet. Got some new shocks in the rear there. We serviced them head to toe. You know we send them out right. You got these upgraded bed rails too. Yeah, this cab corner looks about the same. Maybe it had some previous rust repair, it looks like right there kinda. But it doesn't look terrible at all. It's a pretty clean rocker and corner, so. All in all, it's a nice truck. It's an 03, it's got some age on it, so don't expect perfect. A little bit of rust, couple minor dents. But for an 03, she is a survivor. It is very clean for its age. Equipped with the heated seats on both sides. Dual heated power leather, trailer brakes down there for towing. But you guys know the drill. If you are interested in this truck, we are 816 Diesel. We're downtown Kansas City, Missouri, right where I-35 meets I-70. Head over to our website, 816diesel.com. Everything you need to find this truck and get a hold of us is at 816diesel.com. Our landline is 298-7030. It's kind of hit and miss, but I'm one of the business partner here, Cameron. Call me or text me. My phone number's on the website as a text, but you're more than welcome to call or text anytime. If you have any questions or want to schedule an appointment to see it, head over to that website and text or call me, 913-735-3748. Happy to show you anything, schedule an appointment, get you any information you need. Just let me know how I can help. But I appreciate your guys' time as always. Have a great week out there, and happy holidays from 816 Diesel.